So far in this training course, I have addressed different aspects of online marketing and how you can make money on the internet offering your service as a freelancer. In this video, I want to address very important questions that people ask me almost all the time. And the question is, why do I have to join a freelancing website if I want to offer my service as a freelancer on the internet? The simple answer to that question is this. Freelancing website is 100% dedicated to offering digital or freelancing services. So when you go to a freelancing website, you are there strictly for business. For example, if you go to Fiverr.com, you are either a seller or a buyer. You are not there to chat or to upload a video or to upload a photo or to start commenting on people's service on Fiverr. You are there either to offer your service or to buy a service. Unlike social media like Facebook, where you can go to and comment on photos, uploads, or chat with people and share an update, it is not like that on freelancing website. When you are on freelancing website, you are there for business. And the second question is it possible for me to create my website and offer my service on my website? Yes, you can create your own website and offer your freelancing service on your website. But the question there is, where will you get the traffic from? Making money on the internet requires a lot of traffic, and if you are not getting traffic to your website, it will not be very easy for you to make money on the internet. And one of the reasons why we use freelancing platform is because they already have huge numbers of people going to the website every single day. And when I mean huge numbers, there are millions of people visiting the website for business purpose. So for example, if you create your own website today, you might not be getting more than 5 people visiting your website or even 10 people. But this website, millions of people are coming to the website every single day. So when comparing the two together, it is very much easier for you to make money on a platform that millions of people visit every single day than on your personal website that have maybe less than 10 visits every single day. So the reason for joining freelancing website is the huge opportunity, because you are not paying to get the traffic. The companies are the one doing the advertisement. They are the one bringing a lot of people to the website. But when these people come to the website and they discover your service, they buy from you and you make money from the sales. That is the second question, and I believe that is already answered. The next thing I want to answer is, how do I start getting sales on this freelancing website, particularly Fiverr that we discussed about? Making money on Fiverr is one of the easiest ways to make money on the internet. But a lot of people still have these challenges of making their first sales or getting their first sales on Fiverr. So how do you go ahead and get your first sales on Fiverr? One of the things we do sometimes there is we encourage people to purchase our service either by offering excess delivery or by offering payments in return. I will talk about that in another video. And another thing is this. There is a tool on Fiverr that can help you to get your first sales and make money on the site. I will still address that in another video, where I will tell you how to use the Fiverr tools to encourage people to buy from you and to get discovered on the site very quickly. And those are the questions people ask. But again, if you create your gig on Fiverr just like we did in the last video, how do you start promoting your gig to get sales? And that is another question I want to address before I end this video. There are so many ways you can promote it, but the easiest one is by sharing your gigs on social media or blogs. If you have a personal blog, you can start sharing your gigs on your blog. Or if you have a social media with a very good presence, you can start sharing your gig on social media like Facebook or Twitter. If you are sharing it on Twitter, remember to use a very relevant hashtag so that people can discover your service on Twitter and I can go to Fiverr and make purchase from your link. I must be honest with you, in 2016, I got my first sales from Twitter. So that is a very huge opportunity for you. If you know how to use Twitter to promote your business, it's gonna work very well for you. If you have a very good Facebook account, you can also share your service on Facebook and encourage people to patronize you. This is a business opportunity for you. You wouldn't want to take it for granted. Go ahead and start sharing your service on social media or even blog. I believe this helps, and I believe you'll be able to use this little information to improve yourself and get some sales for yourself on the internet. Watch out for the next video where I'll be addressing how to use the Fiverr tools to encourage people to know more about you and to get more sales on the website. Thanks again, and bye for now.